Assalamu alaikum students for class NA. I hope you will be fine. As you know that we have started unit number 11. Let's start. Students, we have started unit number 11. The object is the gerund as the object of a verb. So I told you about gerund, that what is gerund and how we can use in sentences. And I told you that we can use gerund as a subject of a verb and as the object of a verb as well. So in previous video we studied about gerund as the object of a verb, and I told you that how we can use in sentences. Like for sentences, Nasir likes walking. Here walking is gerund as the object. Next sentences, same sentences they have given, and I told you that you will make maximum 7 to 8 sentences by using gerund as an object. I hope you have made on your notebook, and that column you have done in previous video. Now today we will do page number 41. Students, on page number 41 there are two concepts. First is go on and second is finish. So first of all we will do first concept, go on, and we will use in sentences. Here students, some sentences I have written for you. So first is, don't stop writing, Miss Naz said to the boys. Here what Miss Naz is saying to boys, that don't stop writing. So here instead of don't stop we will use here go on. Miss Naz told the boys. Instead of don't we have used here told. Miss Naz told the boys to go on writing. Here you can see here writing is gerund as an object they have used. Clear? And here instead of stop they have used here told. Miss Naz told the boys, Miss Naz ने लड़कों को कहा to go on writing, कि वो अपनी writing को जारी रखें. Clear? Next sentence is, don't stop reading, Mr. Amin said to the Nasir. We will change now. Mr. Amin told Nasir. After verb we will use here any noun, any name which they have given in sentences. Mr. Amin told Nasir to go on reading. Before go we will use here to. You know that to is a preposition and we used in sentences. Now students, I have given two examples. Now look at book that how they have given sentences. Here some sentences are there. Don't stop dying, Miss Naz said to the girls. Like I have changed sentences, you will change by using go on. Like Miss Naz told the girls to go on drawing. Next, don't stop painting, Mr. Riaz said to Jamil. Same pattern you will change. Like Mr. Riaz told Jamil to go on painting. Don't stop reading, Mr. Amin said to Nasir. Don't stop working, the teacher said to the children. Don't stop trying, Miss Jamil's father said to Jamil. These sentences are same and you will do on your notebook. Now next concept we will do. Second question, use finish and change sentences by using finish. So finish, you know that finish mean, everybody knows about finish. Now we will use in sentences instead of stop. First sentences, have the children stopped playing the piano? That is question, students, because there is helping verb in the start of the sentence and in the last we have used your question mark. So it means that is question. Now we will change. Answer is yes. Students, you will give answer in yes. No, you will not use in sentences. Yes, they have. Here we have used, why we have used here they? Because they have used here children. Children are plural, so the pronoun of children is they. They we use for plural things. Yes, they have, and helping verb we will use here have. They have finished. We have to use in sentences finish. So here the sentence is in present perfect tense. You know that in present perfect tense we use has and have, and with has and have third form of verb. So that's why here we have used finished. Yes, they have finished playing now. In the last of the sentence, what we will use? Now. Playing is, students, what is playing in sentence? Playing is gerund. They have used as a object. Yes, they have finished playing now. Next sentence is, has Jamil stopped doing his homework? Yes, Jamil. Which pronoun we will use for Jamil? He. Yes, he has. With singular we use has, and with plural we use have. You already knows. Next, he has finished doing his homework. Here doing is gerund. Have the men stopped digging? Yes, men. You know that men are plural, man is singular and men are plurals. So here, yes, they have finished digging now. In the last of the sentence, you will use now in answer. Now look at the book. Here are sentences and we will use finish. Have finished, they have written here. Has Mr. Riyaz stopped sewing? Have the men stopped digging? Has Jamil stopped doing his homework? Have the children stopped walking? Have the men stopped painting the house? Has Uzma stopped playing the piano? Have the children stopped doing the exercise? You will do on your notebook like I have changed. I have written answer using have finished. Have you will use with plural and has you will also use in sentences with singular. Now question number 5, read aloud and spell. There are some words and you will read with intonation, with sounds like U sound, hurt, shirt, uncle, brush, bucket. U sound they have given and you will read these sentences, these words. Next, hungry, husband, much, multiply, number, suddenly, thumb, ugly, umbrella. Next, O sound, mother, front and touch. Students, here they have given U and O sounds and you will write on your notebook some words that they have U sounds and O sound. Clear? First you will read and then you will make on your notebook. Now students, in this lecture we learnt about two concepts. First is go on and second is have finished. So you will do 4 sentences by using go on and next have finished you will use in sentences and do on your notebook. Question number 5 also you will read these words and do these sentences. Clear? Allah Hafiz.